My favorite beauty trend is
glowing skin.
so we're all definitely glowy right
so
now.
Beautiful. And not like
Glowing.
super highlight. I love like glowy skin, like that.
Hello. It is Thursday. Underscarves just launched, and we're all going to get ice cream because we've all been so stressed and just working so damn hard that we all need a break. You guys feel good? Like we're done. It's the craziness.
We're not done though.
I feel loopy. I feel so loopy. But
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm happy. Yeah.
Noor is so pregnant. Look at her belly. Oh my gosh.
This big, guys.
Her baby's name is Sumaya.
No, it's not. I'm gonna kill you.
So her son is playing a joke on her. Her little
My
son.
brother convinced my son that that's what we're naming her, and now my son is going around telling everybody.
He already
that.
told me over FaceTime. He's like, my sister's name is Sumaya. That's so cute.
That's not her name.
What's her name?
Nothing bad about the name Sumaya for all the
What's her
Sumayas
name?
out there. I love Sumayas. She's nameless currently, so if you guys have names,
Leave your name suggestions
in
below.
the comments below. It's a girl if you haven't noticed.
So how do you feel now that it's all over?
I feel so good.
Look at her.
I'm channeling Dubai when we went to the water.
What'd you get, Salwa?
Dulce de leche.
What'd you get?
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
So good.
Is it good? My strawberry is incredible.
Thank you. Amazing.
How's yours? What'd you get?
Where do I get this?
Cookies and cream.
Is it good?
Really good.
Look at Melanie doing her squat just to get her Instagram picture.
They're so cute.
This is what she's taking a picture of. This is where we work, guys. Like, this is literally across the street. How crazy.
Hey guys, I am in the car headed to the airport. I'm headed to Chicago to speak at Create and Cultivate tomorrow. I've never been to one of these events. I know they have them all around the country, and like the keynote speakers, Jennifer Hudson and Ashley Tisdale is going to be a speaker, and I think Chriselle Lim is going to be there, so sounds great. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be on a panel called Next Gen, talking about like the next generation of startups and brands and stuff, so I'm really excited. I'm always happy to be back in Chi-Town. And then on Sunday I will be with Slay Collective, a bunch of girls in Chicago that get together, I guess just to talk about like entrepreneurship. I'm not really sure, but that'll be fun. A lot of HHBAM and girls that I've never met, but I know have corresponded with and talked to on social like almost daily, some of them, so and for years, so I'm really excited to get to finally meet some of these girls. Alright guys, see you in Chi-Town. This is bizarre. Oh, right when you walk in. I just got in and I'm exhausted and I have an event to go to right now, so I have to get ready. Try and put a little bit of work in and then get this day started. This is so exciting. So we're in the green room getting ready to go and speak. I'm gonna get my face powder because I'm probably really oily. So I just finished my panel and now I'm going to do some, sit there and do some video. It went really well. There's a ton of people here, it's crazy. You can hear them, the next one is starting. So the venue is amazing, everything is beautiful. This is the woman who started Create and Cultivate, and everything is just on point. Gina came on for 2 seconds, and that event, that thing from yesterday had so much like swag from the stuff they give us. And so I was like, Gina, do you want this stuff? And everyone's like, who's Gina? Who's Gina? This is Gina. I've known Gina since she was 12? 12. She was a little tiny camper. Tall camper. Yeah, not tiny at all, actually. And we met at Camp Hilal, camp friends. Forever. And ever and ever. And Gina moved to Chicago not too long ago. She is a badass attorney. Yes, if you guys need your will done or your trust done, hit me up. Go to Gina.
Yes.
Erin and Giselle have an interview.
I didn't know. I didn't know it was on camera. I thought we were talking.
You look like you would just put on a ton of blush. Did you just put on blush? Yeah, smooth it out.
It's just like.
But the rest of you looks great. Are you gonna leave the sunglasses on? You're such a diva.
Yeah. She's such a diva.
Erin is wearing this like vintage dress. You look perfect, Erin.
Oh my god, I've been up since 3 a.m.
Yeah. Erin and Giselle are in there for their interview about the underscarves and pyrotechs and the tech fabric. They got me. I gotta go. That was so embarrassing. I probably messed up this whole thing. Look at how much she laughs. Yeah, go ahead and snort. You know what she's laughing at? You know what she's laughing at? That. Why is that staring at me? I hate it. Yeah, why do we have it, Brittany?
She's the one that bought it, so.
I feel uncomfortable.
It's gonna fall.
What are you doing?
Michael Scott.
You are Michael Scott on Halloween.
But hijabi version.
Alice is acting as though she's never opened a magazine in her life. She asked if it was free. Wait, can we see what magazine this is, please? Can you hold up the cover?
Advertisements. Why wouldn't it be free? Why do I have to pay to see ads? Like, you don't pay to see a commercial.
Only the September issue of Vogue.
Don't do that shit.
First of all, she's like, why is it so big? Magazines are small.
Look at this is a book. This is like.
And then she asked if it was free.
Sorry, I didn't know it was a September issue.
And then she opens it up and she sees perfume and she's like, that's perfume!
There's perfume in. No, like it's not like we spray the tissue paper. That's fine. This is the perfume's only activated if you lift it up. That's.
Alice, have you not opened a magazine since the 1980s?
Was not alive when I did it.
The whole team right now, we're going to dinner at the famous Ozakar where you can get that rotating shawarma for your whole table. It's gonna be amazing. This is Erin's postponed, delayed birthday celebration.
Oh my god, my birthday's oldies now. There's no celebrate. Just have a birthday month like you know.
We gotta get into our car. We'll see you guys at the restaurant. Bye! Enter. Thank you. What do we have in here? The entire team is here. And we're all celebrating Erin's birthday. Happy birthday, Erin. Malik is here. And Noor's sister Iman. I'm here, fam. Don't worry, I got you. We're also celebrating Underscarves launch because we're exhausted. What is happening? Oh my gosh! Giselle's gonna have a heart attack by this way. This food is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ahlan feek. Ahlan feek. Look at all this food. It's out of control.
You're never gonna
That was the craziest dinner. Basically, Iman went over to the other table of hijabis and just handed them cards. And then it turned out she knows them but didn't recognize them.
I did recognize them. They didn't recognize them.
No, Noor